Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna talk about how websites work. So this is a person that in his favorite browser he types the URL and press enters, and then the web browser goes into the web server, and then Python, PHP, JavaScript, the backend is written in it. And then the backend do some computing and processing and give HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript to the browser, and then the browser display these three, and the person now sees the website. If he type youtube.com, then the web, and then Python goes do some computing, and it gets from the files from the web server and do some computing, and then the browser can display these files. So this is all websites work. So thanks guys, please watch this video and thank you. Please watch this video and share this video and comment on it. This is how websites work. It is the simplest way to explain you guys how websites work. So guys, please enjoy. You have enjoyed the video and see how websites work. Now I will upload another video that will talk about headings and titles. So please hit this video 15 subscribers, then I will upload a next video.